Alright, quick announcement. You need to check this out right now. There's a link in the description and seriously, don't sleep on this one. This product is trending everywhere, and after trying it myself, I totally get the hype. The performance is fast and smooth, the design feels premium, and it's incredibly easy to use. No stress, no learning curve, just results. But here's the part that blew me away. It's way more impressive than I expected. The value you get from this is honestly insane compared to most things out there. So do yourself a favor, hit the link, check it out, try it for yourself, and you'll see why everyone's talking about it. Total game changer. Stop scrolling for a second, you're going to want to hear this. There's a link in the description, and once you check it out, you'll understand why I'm recommending it so strongly. This product has taken off for a reason. The performance. Alright, quick announcement. You need to check this out right now. There's a link in the